Here we are, St. Pat's Park. You guys are awesome. Yep. Hi, Guy. Hello. We named him River, so tell her. Tell Jenny. That's our name for him. You guys are gonna like him. Maybe he has a chip. Maybe he's got a great story. You know? Yeah. Now come by later and get the trap as usual. Okay. Yeah, gotta pull it through. The bungees catch on the bottom. You guys are awesome. Awesome. Bye, River. Bye, River. Bye. Bye-bye.
Thanks, Tina.
No problem. Thank you.
See the boat there?
Thank you. Hello. Awesome. They do such great work at Humane Society. He's in there. Yep. All right. See you guys. Thanks for watching.